what's left of the Jesus is Alive Fellowship Church of God. This building was devastated by flooding Thursday night, early Friday morning. And a lot of work's already been done here today, getting things cleaned up. But as you can see, this is pretty much a total loss. But I'm thankful to be standing here with a pastoral family who has served in this church for many years. And they so love God and so love the people of this area and so love this church that they couldn't delay. They jumped on it immediately and started the cleanup process. I want you to hear from them and hear their stories of how God was so gracious and the miracle of them even being here today. We can't take it for granted. It's a miracle that they're here and alive. And you'll hear that story. And standing here today is Sister Andre. Sister Andre is scheduled today to become legacy pastor here at Jesus is Alive. She and her husband served here very faithfully. We just buried them about a little over 2 weeks ago now. And Sister Andre was here. And when the flooding happened, she was able to get up on the roof and waited there until the bulldozer came and scooped you guys off. Sister Andre, we're so thankful that you're here. Would you just kind of tell a little your story today?
Yeah, I'm so thankful that God gave us the strength to move the rooftop. But before that, we were in the living room upstairs. And I didn't know what I was doing. I just opened there and here and there and then finally, Mom, stop! Go to the rooftop! And I forget the important documents. I forget just little bit. But even my mind was so blank that I was just thinking how we will survive because the water is already so current is so strong and it's already so deep. When I was about to go to the rooftop, I cannot move my body up and Lani said, Mommy, I can push you back. Go! And she did. And we were able to stand the rooftop under the rain. We only our clothes at this point I had my jacket, but my two grandpas they were just t-shirt only and it's cold and it's so cold. But I just told you that in this wilderness of our lives, Lord, you are with us. Whatever happens, Lord, you are with us. You are our refuge. And God, He sent people to come and rescue us after several hours under the rain. I was cold, I was searching, and I don't know exactly under. If somebody will not come and help us now, Lord, I said, I am a man, but anyway, Lord, so that we have an extent. But then, people just stay on time. And then, when they came us on the rooftop, and the bulldozer is right there, I cannot do that. And the children said, Mama, we can hear you on the rooftop. Until I was able to the bulldozer. I said, angels, I said, sometimes angels don't have wings. Yes. And I will tell you. And I praise God that I'm here alive today. And I was so surprised with so many people saying, to help this. Maybe I'm 50 or more. Somebody will go and somebody will come. This time they will want to make sure to tell me why you say the Lord. And I say to you, and they will make
Amen. Well, I'm thankful with you that there were so many people that came to help. The cleanup is a miracle. I mean, it's amazing to see what it looked like just yesterday compared to now.
Mm-hmm.
The fact is there's a long way to go. There's a lot of cleanup to go, and then there's the process of rebuilding. repairing and getting back in. The Church of God family, thank you for your prayers. When we got the call at 2:30 in the morning that we were on the roof, we immediately got prayer alerts out, and so many people immediately started praying before you even off of the roof. Church of God people around this world are already praying. Thank you for praying with us. But I'll also invite you, if you want to be a part of the miracle of the completion of the cleanup and then the rebuild, please take time to do that right now. There's a link at the bottom of this video that you can donate to and be a part of all that's coming with the cleanup and the rebuild. Thank you so much. God bless you.